Oh, kumusta man tong nagsulti nga 2026 is gonna be my year? Naa na mo'y progress? O basig ang mga dreams and goals ninyo, dreams and goals ra gihapon next year? No judgment. Pero walay new year, new me. Kung wala kay energy. Unya, masakiton pa gyud ka. Bisag ayuhon nimo plano, lisod gyud na i-achieve kung bagsak ang energy, apil imong immunity. Di man ka kuwang sa ambisyon o motivation, abi nimo wala kay time o wala ra kay gana. Pero ang tinuod, kulang gyud ka sa energy. Unsa man, hangtod planning, booking o imagining na lang gyud ka? Make it happen with Enervon Z+. Mutabang og hatag og extra energy from B vitamins plus stronger immunity tungod sa zinc and vitamin C with proper diet and exercise. So you can make your best life a reality. Let's make things happen in 2026. Pag Enervon Z+ na, Unilab quality yan. Multivitamins plus zinc is the generic name of Enervon Z+. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
At first I was afraid if toyo ang lasa, ang adobong ipakaon sa kong barkada. May nalang kakita ko og kalami sa tibok manok tungod sa kaya na yun na ako mag-adobo. And now I'm back, luto ni mo na. Miti lang mi adobo good, miti lang mi adobo good. Sanayin or luto na ako, they'll keep coming back again asking for more. Basta nori mong luto na, hey, hey.
This newscast is brought to you by BioFlu. 2 or more symptoms? Baka flu na yan. I-BioFlu na.
What if your phone could be your front row seat?
Playtime Entertainment launches PT Idol,
Singers, hosts, dancers, performances you don't want to miss. Wonderful moments are here.
where talent takes the spotlight.
Search PT Idol on TikTok and follow today.
Playtime
Playtime Entertainment. Born for happiness.
Playtime Entertainment. Born for happiness.
I have lagnat and I have sipon. Pag flu, pwedeng flu. Mag-BioFlu. Dahil pag may 2 symptoms, pwedeng flu yan. BioFlu. Kaya anumang sintomas ng flu.
Unilab yan. Phenylephrine, HCl, chlorphenamine, maleate, paracetamol is the generic name of BioFlu. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Sa Surf Instant Puti, si Nina maka-wow! Wow! Instant Puti! Sa Surf 2 minutes na, si Nina maka-wow! Wow! Instant Puti!
Surf Instant Bango o Instant Puti in as fast as 2 minutes. Safe and hasn't cotton after 1 wash. Results may vary.
Para sa nakakawaw na instant bango at instant puti. In as fast as 2 minutes based on test on cotton after 1 wash. Results may vary. Mag-Surf Powder Detergent na.
Sa Surf Instant Puti, si Nina maka-wow! Wow! Instant Puti! Sa Surf 2 minutes na, si Nina maka-wow! Wow! Instant Puti!
Surf Instant Bango o Instant Puti in as fast as 2 minutes. Safe and hasn't cotton after 1 wash. Results may vary.
Para sa nakakawaw na instant bango at instant puti. In as fast as 2 minutes based on test on cotton after 1 wash. Results may vary. Mag-Surf Powder Detergent na.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
dahil ang unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique!
Max Alaga, Max Protectado with unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Basta na ay hilanat.
Dapat matik. Ibay Jessic.
Sa hilanat hunahuna-on kun unsay luwas makapaayo.
Dapat matik. Ibay Jessic. Most doctor prescribe sa lagnat. Basta lagnat, wag nang magdalawang isip.
Dapat matik, i-Biogesic.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Paracetamol is the generic name of Biogesic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
This time check is brought to you by iBerry Gold. Mas daghan ang lutin, mas epektibo, mas klaro.
Kung pirmi ka poy, nanluya, nalipong og ng luspad, basin anemia na. Ug ang mutabang aron healthy ang blood ug naay healthy glow. United Home for Sulfate Iron with proper diet and exercise.
United Home.
Unilab yan.
Iron is the generic name of United Home for Sulfate Iron. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
3 o'clock in the afternoon.